Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to restore default keyboard on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, if you experience problems with a third-party keyboard, such as crashes, lag, or compatibility issues with certain apps, reverting to the default keyboard can quickly resolve these problems. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. The first step is to open the settings menu on your device. Once you have accessed the settings menu, scroll down until you find the system option. Okay, upon selecting system, you can choose languages and input. And within this page, you will find settings related to language preferences and input. Okay, and tap on-screen keyboard to access keyboard-related settings. Next, you have to disable any additional keyboard application that may be installed on your device. To do this, toggle off any additional keyboard. By doing so, you will ensure that the only default keyboard application is active on your device. Once you have disabled any additional keyboard applications, and the default keyboard should automatically become active again. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to restore default keyboard on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.